The previous episode we have built the logic. Now we will start building or making the cards as we saw here, which is be like horizontal cards. So now let me go to the code and remove this one function and then refresh. So it should be like this now. So the first thing what I want to do, just basically loop through the videos. Very simple. So I have here, I make one row. I will make one row with also margin y4, top and bottom, and say for each will be videos as video, and then I'll paste here one column. Again, we have repeated this few times. Very simple, and we'll go through it as well. It's very simple. So basically it is same as the card we built before, but it's just bit horizontal base. It's nothing changed here. I have the same thing, card link style. I have added one card horizontal. Again, to make it horizontal, I will push it on the custom styles. 1 second, let me just copy it also. Basically it's just flex, just card horizontal, display will be flex, and then flex will be 1 auto, so it'll be horizontal. And let me go back. So here the video will be thumbnail, again thumbnail on the left, and inside the body what I will have, I have the title. I have basically the same information, but it's just a bit changed. The views used to be down, now it is up in this view, and I have the image for the channel name, and just adding also description for the video, and then truncate it using Bootstrap. It's very simple card. And let me just refresh now and see, this will be the card. So simple. And if I have more videos, then maybe I can copy. 1 second, let me just go and copy line, for example, and duplicate it 3 times and go back here and just say okay, refresh. So I have 3 videos, and then you can click and view the videos. So this is basically very simple search. Of course you can add some filters. For example, in our main function here, like for example you want to order by, you can order by descending or ascending. You can get it from the form, for example, or create another very simple filters at the top of this video search. If you go here, refresh, we can put some filters if you want, or even in the page itself. Here we can say some filters here or up, and you can send it along and alongside that same form search, and it will, if there is for example setting, then it will be added here, sorting it.